Joe boy one day.
Welcome back to my channel, Chanelly767. What's popping? Hope everybody's staying blessed today. Today DIY is how to store your disposable as a MUA. Then you need Q-tip that you can find in any drugstore or pharmacy store, as well as the cotton pad. Then you need a plain white typing paper or a printing paper. After that, you see me going to wash the container. So because of COVID, of course, you need anything that you purchase. It could be containers, souvenir, food. You need to wash every single thing once you bring it home. So that is what you're going to see me do here right now. Also, you see me removing the label that comes on the container. You're going to see me remove it as well. After that is done, you see me just taking a plain napkin and just putting the container to dry for, let's say, 20 to 30 minutes. Then you need to clean your area that you're going to work with. What you see me doing is cleaning my station where I do my makeup, and I'm taking disinfectant wipe and just wiping out this area. Then I'm sanitizing my hand with alcohol that I transfer in this spray bottle. You can get it at any, I should say, drugstore or pharmacy. I get it at the pharmacy, basically, this spray bottle. Then you need some gloves. Then I'm just taking a plain napkin paper to put on the table so I have something to work on. Then the container is already dry. I'm just showing you that it's fully dry. Then you get a plain white paper, a pair of scissors. And then you're gonna see me start cutting, measuring, folding, everything. I just want to use this paper as a divider. So this is the result once I cut and measure, and I'm showing you where I can still close the container after I do so. Then you need your Q-tip. Have you subscribed to my channel? Hit that notification bell so you know what's popping with Chanel 767. So once I remove the Q-tip from the package, I place it in the container, and there you're gonna see me organizing how I want the Q-tip in the container. Then you take your cotton pad, and then you're gonna place it on the other side of the container. And that is how you DIY your disposable. If you're upcoming makeup artist, that's how you do it. There's a specific container that I want, but it's taking forever to come, so I decided to have something temporary until the container arrives. I'm just giving you an overview of the DIY that we just make together, guys. We're a team. I always say that we are a team. I have also placed some white Q-tip on top. I mix it, so basically everything will be like one color, as you can see. And this is what I do also for my disposable lip liner and mascara. The exact same process. I wash the container, the same white paper, place it in between, and then I just separate it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell for what's popping with Chanel 76.